The threat is real.
The risk is high.
There is a clear and present danger that exists in America.
Insurrections are like a molotov cocktail. They only work one time out of 10. But when it works, the damage done burns on longer than its flame. It's the price of democracy.
John F. Kennedy was once quoted saying, "In the long history of the world, only a few generations have been granted the role of defending freedom in its hour of maximum danger. I do not shrink from this responsibility. I welcome it."
We, here at Advanced Coatings Engineering, are all about protecting our clients when it comes to danger.
A Molotov cocktail is no match for ACE.
ACE, protecting people and property in America.